Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at sending text messages using the Text360.com group messaging platform. So first, let's click on Send Text Message to bring us to the Send Group Text Message window. The first option is Send to Groups. And here my groups will be listed, and to the right of each group name in parentheses will be the number of contacts currently in that group. Now, if I wanted to send a group message to my contacts in my Foodies group, I do so by checking off the option right to the left of the group name. I can send to as many groups as I want simply by checking off the option. So I'm just going to send this message out to my contacts in my Foodies group and move along. Now, if I wanted to add an additional number, to receive this message that may not be part of this group, I can do so by manually inputting it in this field. Now, moving along to the subject. Now, this is completely optional, but if you do decide that you want to use the subject group, you can add up to 13 characters, which will be displayed in parentheses to set itself apart from the rest of your message. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put BOGO, buy one, get one, and then move along to the body of my message. Here's my message. Visit Jay's Pizza Truck today to get your buy one, get one free slice. Just show this text. Now, the entire message must be under 160 characters, so we can see that I am well within my limits. Now, the beauty of text message marketing is that you could send out your message right away or schedule it to be sent out in the future. So if you wanted to schedule the delivery of your text message, you do so by clicking in the schedule delivery box, and a calendar will open up where you can select the date and the hour and minute that you would like this message to be sent out. Now, I want to send out my message right away, so I'm not going to select any of these options and click on Done. Now, please keep in mind that all text messages are set to go out immediately, unless otherwise specified in the schedule delivery box. Okay, so now let's take a look at advanced messaging features by clicking on the link below. Okay, now you can add a few different things to your message, and I'm going to show you some neat stuff. Let's start with Use Message Template. Now you can actually save your text messages in templates. So this is useful if you're going to be sending out a regular promotion, a weekly promotion. Instead of having to type up the message again, you can just retrieve it from your managed templates. Now we will have a video for that as well. But for this video, we're just going to move along and I'll show you some other neat stuff. You can include your username to the message. You can include unsubscribe info, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now, this is basically letting your customers know how to opt out if they decide that they no longer want to be part of your text marketing list. So you'll see that once I clicked on unsubscribe info, this information was added to my message. I'm just going to delete that because I don't want that part of this message. And another neat feature is you can actually personalize your text messages. So if you wanted to include a first name or last name, you can do so by selecting this option. So I'm going to include the first name, and I'll show you what that's like. So if you're going to insert their name, just click to the beginning of your message and then click on Insert. And now you'll notice that some code was inserted into my message. So in parentheses, you'll see pound first name pound. Okay, now this information won't be inserted and sent to all of your contacts, it will only replace whatever data that you have in the first name field corresponding to each number. So now my message is completed. And the last option that I'd like to show you, which is a very popular option, is the browse and upload picture. So you can add a picture to your message. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'd like to include a picture of our menu. I'm going to click on Browse and Upload. It's going to open up my File Explorer, and I'm going to select the picture that I want to be included. And what the Text360.com platform is going to do is insert a tiny URL. So now your customer can click on this link and it will be directed to your picture. Okay, so everything seems to look fine. I'm well within my limits. It's going to be sent out immediately, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. Now, clicking on Continue is going to bring me to my preview page. So here there's a summary of all the details of my message, which groups are being sent, if there's a subject, the actual message, the time and date that it's going to be delivered, the total recipients, the required credits that I'm going to need to send this message, and the delivery method. Everything looks great. So now if it didn't and I needed to adjust it or edit it, I can click on the edit message and it'll bring me back and I can make whatever changes and then preview it again before sending. But I'm really happy with the way this looks and I'm going to send a message. And now it will bring me to my confirmation page. So you'll see here the status indicates that my message has been sent. Again, it will give me a summary of my message, and it'll ask me if I'd like to send a new message. And I also have the option to tweet out my text right from the platform. I hope you found this video to be very informative, so be sure to check out our other videos showing you all the other wonderful features included in the Text360.com platform. Thanks for watching.